Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating a magical little world, a midsummer fairy glade, captured forever in resin. It's inspired by nature, mythology, and a little bit of wonder. So let's get started. So I've laid my first layer down and I've got to wait till this at least 3 hours to have that go to tacky. So I like to begin by laying everything out and imagining the scene. For this build, I'm using preserved moss, flowers. I'm going to also use some dried flowers, tiny little mushrooms, little tiny mushrooms, and of course a delicate fairy silhouette, which I've got to make up. That's most probably in the third stage. And each element is chosen to give that dreamy, enchanted forest vibe. So I've done the silicone, and this helps later when it's time to remove the final piece. You know, if you're going to put a because this is silicone, you can actually take it out without a problem, so I don't need to have mold release or anything. So next, once this is done, I will begin creating the forest floor using the moss and the miniature flowers to form like a soft organic base. All right, so we'll wait a couple of hours and we'll be back. So it's a little bit soft. I'm gonna try and put these flowers in while it's still like tacky. See how we go. Not sure if this is gonna work. I'm going to see if I can stick this on. Oh, darn it. Maybe I'll pick up a smaller butterfly. Go. Now the only reason I'm doing this in this hard because I don't have a round clear mold. Got every other mold under the sun, but don't have clear round mold. But this will do. So I'll wait till this dries a little and maybe top it up, and then I'll put my little fairy in, and hopefully a little bit of some more moss on the bottom, and see how we go. I'll see you soon. Hi everyone. So what I've done is I've taken the little fairies. I tried to go to the shop and try and find a couple, but I couldn't find any, so I've done a couple of stickers and I've put them in there, and all I got to do now to try and do is try to top it up. So let's go. A few little bubbles in here. I mean, it's looking cute. All right, so we'll I made this one, and I didn't actually film it. I just made it for a present for somebody, but it's really pretty. I just thought I'd top coat it a little bit, but this is the main project. So I'm going to wait now till it dries again. Come on, out of there. All right. I will see you back soon. See ya. Okay, so we're going to unmold it to have a look. Ooh, there was a big bubble. Yeah. So let's have a look. That's the back side, but this is the side we're going to go by. Came out quite cute. So now I'll just put a top coat, because there's a little bubble here. I'll have to fill that, you know, and we go from there, so it'll stand like that. Oh, that's so beautiful. I will see you soon.